Now, I'm happy to be here week on week. Let's see a small phonetic part. Okay, can you say the word that I'm going to spell? Anybody can say. Kind,
Kind,
Kite.
kite,
Okay, Kindle.
kindle,
Okay, Confusion.
Confusion.
confusion,
Confusion. Collocate.
Collate.
collate, no,
Collate,
collation,
collocate. Okay. Now, I started few words with K and I started few words with C. But did you observe that both of them had the same starting phonetic sound, which is K? Why is that? When do you use K? And there is also one more thing. There are some words that start with C, but they have sound. Now let me share my screen and you can start pronouncing those words. Okay. Can somebody read these words quickly, one by one?
key, king, kettle, kindle, kindness, kickstart.
Okay. Now, let me share another screen. One second. Yes. Now, I want another participant to read all these words starting with C slowly, and I want everybody to observe.
Salary,
Hmm.
certificate, capable, collaborate, civics, city, calculate, courage, sell, cultivate, seize.
Okay, Deepa, did you observe something as Umayal read these words?
Yes.
What was that?
So all these C words like celery, certificate, all these words in this image
Hmm.
have a vowel following the C. C
You are
E,
right.
C A, C O, C I, C U also. A E I O
Yes.
U are following C.
That's a very good observation, Deepa. But I'm going to tell you one more thing. Celery and certificate start with S sound, whereas capable, collaborate, cultivate, courage start with K sound as in K. Now, please note that if the letter C is followed by vowel E or I, then the word should start with sound. Celery, certificate, civics, and city. So C followed by vowels E and I should give you sound, phonetic sound. Whereas the letter C followed by the vowels A, O, and U should start with K sound, as in capable, collaborate, courage, and cultivate. So remember, CE, CI will give you sound, CO, CA, CU should start with K sound. So this is why we have two different sounds for the letter C. Now, I hope you all know this. You have learnt it. Can you quickly make, each of you, can you make one word starting with C? Just one word starting with C.
Calculation,
Okay.
Calcium,
Calcium. Deepa, you're in mute.
CEASE, seize.
Cease. So, Umyal and Nina said calculation. And what was the other one?
calcium,
Calcium.
Calculation.
both started with C followed by vowel A. K. So C takes K sound, whereas Deepa's word was seas, where C was followed by the vowel E. So C took the starting sound of S. So remember,
Yes.
C, E, C, I makes the C to take S sound. C, A, C, O, and C, U will make C to take P sound, as in K. So hope you make more words. Try, practice, and learn more.